Hey guys, Gavin here from ultimatereloader.com. In the last few videos, we've taken a look at the overview of the Hornady lock and load rifle bullet feed system. We've looked at how to set it up. In this video, we're going to do two things. We're going to load some 5.56 223 Remington rounds, and then we're going to check the concentricity of those rounds to see how accurate they're going to be. Let's get going. In a previous video, we went through the various steps involved in setting up this new Hornady rifle bullet feed system. First thing I'm going to do, since we're using both the case feeder and the bullet feeder, is to turn on the case feeder and fill the drop tube. Next, I'm going to add some bullets to the feed bowl for the rifle bullet feed system and turn that on. So our components are full, our cases are ready to roll, our bullets are ready to roll. The next step is going to be to run up the press. We're going to start loading cases here. Okay, so now we're ready to feed our first bullet, but the bullet drop is actually case activated. So for the first cartridge through the press, I'm just going to push the pivot block there, and that's going to feed a bullet for us. We're ready to roll. One of the things that I always like to check is the concentricity of the bullets seated in cartridges that are being loaded off the press, since it's such an important factor in rifle ammunition accuracy. Let's check one of the rounds and see how this rifle bullet feed die does. So here's one of the rounds that we just loaded, and when we spin this we can see, wow, hardly any deviation in concentricity. Let's test a couple more just out of interest. Okay, so here we see one. Let's see, we're at plus or minus about 1/2 thousandth of an inch. Wow, very good. And a third one. Let's see, now we're at plus or minus about 1,000th or so. So this seems pretty typical with what I've observed and really good for a combination bullet feed and seating die. So as you can see, adding the Hornady lock and load rifle bullet feed system to your progressive reloading press can really speed up the reloading process. We also saw that this system results in dead concentric rifle ammunition, which is going to enhance accuracy significantly. Stay tuned, because we're also going to look at the 30 cal conversion kit for this rifle bullet feed system and look at it on different progressive presses. We'll catch you all soon on Ultimate Reloader. Thanks.